Hi amazing people, and welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Peace and you're very welcome. I hope you subscribe to my channel and you join the family. But today I will be doing an unboxing video, and this is the first unboxing video I am ever doing on my channel. I guess so, yes, it is the first. And why did I decide to do this unboxing video, or how did this unboxing video come across? But the thing is, I am an Android lover. I've always used Android. I think the last time I used an iPhone was, let's say, back in the days of iPhone 5. That was many years ago. Ever since then, I've always stuck to Samsung. And I was trying to invest in a new phone and get myself an iPhone 8 Plus. You know, because that was not like too crazy expensive and things like that. But then, my baby thinks that I want more than that, and he decided to surprise me and get me the new iPhone XX Max. What I keep saying X, my Italian, oh Lord. The new iPhone XX Max in gold. So you guys are gonna watch me open this bad boy right here and, you know, tell you my thoughts, you know, the pro and con. I don't think there's gonna be any con, but anyway, pro and cons. I think I'm just so happy I'm beginning to say a lot of nonsense. So without much talking and much rambling, let's just jump into this video. Okay, so this is my iPhone over here. This is, oh my god, the packaging is amazing. Like, just touching right here, it's like this particular design was actually created on a different cardboard and then placed on top of this white part, because when you touch it you can feel it. Oh Lord, it's so beautiful. And by this side it has the iPhone logo in gold, and yeah, it is written iPhone, which is amazing. So the only person that has opened my phone so far was the guy at the store where I bought the phone, because I wanted him to help me place my screen protector, the screen glass protector, because I'm not good in putting that, so I made him do that for me. So he's the only one that has done it, that has opened this phone, that has touched it. So when I open it, what I see is, oh, I think this is where they keep the whole information, instruction, guarantee and stuff like that. It is written, designed by Apple California, and oh my lord, there it is. That's my baby. I don't know if it is showing very well. Right now the screen protector is already there. I'm gonna try and see if I can focus more, which I think it already is in focus. Yeah guys, it is in focus. I hope you guys can see it. So that is the phone. Okay, I'm gonna try and bring it out. Oh my god, oh my god, it is amazing. It's so beautiful. It is amazing. Sorry guys, my hands, I think I applied cream on my hands are all touchy all over it. Mind you guys, like I said, I already had my protective screen all over so it doesn't fall. I had to make them do it myself, but it is beautiful. Like, you guys, I love the shade of this gold. It just have something unique about it. Like, can you guys see how beautiful it is? It is amazing. I think this is the best gold shade they've used so far in all the iPhones that I've seen so far. It is out of this world. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, so what else do we have in the packaging? Oh, okay, so we have some earphones and of course charger, nothing else. Oh, okay, I failed to tell you guys that I got the one with the 64 GB because I wanted to get the one with the 250 gigabyte, but they had it only in black, and I didn't even know when the gold was coming out, so I had to just pick what they have. So this is the cover I chose. It's just transparent. I bought this for €14.90. Everything I actually spent on the phone so far was 1,500 euros, I guess, around that, because the phone, the gadgets, which is the screen protector and the cover, and also the insurance I did on the phone, made everything amount to 1,500 euros. I think it's like 1,400 and something. So now I'm going to put the screen on. I already on the phone. Guys, I cannot do this. Come on, I'm stronger than that. I did it, guys. I did it. All right. Okay, so let's go in with that. Ooh, that's cute. What do you guys think? I chose the transparent one because I really love the shade of the gold, and I wanted it to, you know, to show. I wanted everybody to know. So now we're going to see what is on the home page. Alright, let's try taking a selfie. I think I have many things to learn on this. Oh, what do I do? Okay, let me see. Before I take a selfie, I actually noticed that the screen, now my cover actually has its own protect. Okay, there it is. Yuppie! Beautiful. What do you guys think? I think it's amazing. It is. Well, now I'm gonna try to take a picture and let's see how the camera quality is. If it's worth it, if it's not. I hope it's worth it. I think I could just look at this all day long. I think that the camera quality is good, if you ask me. I think it is. I'm going to place one of the pictures somewhere here or here so you guys can see. So that is all I have to say about this one. I don't think there's any other thing. I'm not really into the whole tech stuff. So if there's any other thing you guys want to know, you can ask me in the comment section and I will reply you guys. And, I don't know why I can't get a perfect selfie today. Anyway, so that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and that is it. I'm so happy for my new phone. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it with my nails. It's so cute. Well, bye guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.